I just got this tablecloth and I wanted to review it. It is a little strawberry print with a lace border. This one is 55 inches by 55 inches, so it fits on my island counter. I actually didn't buy it for a table. I bought it to cut up and make new curtains up here with. So I can't show it to you on my table because I don't have a table that fits this, but it has cute lace trim. The material's kind of thin. You can maybe see my finger behind it. It's not gauzy, but it's definitely a very thin material. It feels nice. The strawberries are a little bit more dark red compared to the photo on Amazon. On Amazon, they looked a lot more bright red, and what I have to me looks a little bit more dark red. I really like it still. I think it's gonna make a great curtain. And I think also if you had a little table, it would make a good tablecloth. It does come in different sizes. But again, this is 55 inches by 55 inches. It lays really well. I didn't see any snags in it, any rips in it or anything. You can see the stitching is done very nicely. There was no loose threads. So hopefully that helps you know if this is something you want to buy. Again, the color is, to me, a little bit different than the picture. They are more of a dark red compared to the picture. And you know, it might just depend on the lighting, but to me, I thought they looked brighter in the picture. It would be good in like a country home, country chic, shabby chic decor, or if you're looking for something vintage looking. I feel like the lace trim in this print is kind of vintage. I'm really happy with it, and I hope seeing my review helps you know if it's something that you want to buy.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it.